It cost me $40 for this truckload of lime rock, and that is 1 ton. You see here, $40 for 1 ton, like 2,000 pounds, and it's kind of hard to, you know. So I've been trying to shovel. I gotta shovel. There's so much damage. I'm trying to fill in these holes and everything. I was trying to shovel this, but and I was trying to shovel over here, trying to shovel in some of this stuff here, this stuff. But my place is pretty much ruined until I can get Nathan with his tractor and stuff. You know, I was trying to shovel in all this damage. So what I'll do is I'll just try and back it up a little bit more and try to cover this area here with the lime rock that's in my truck. Alright. Self-inflicted shoveling. Buddy! Yeah, buddy, look at all this crap, huh? Yeah, not good, huh, buddy? Yeah, and I'm not the strongest person in the world. I'm gonna lift some of this stuff. I'll put the tailgate down in a minute. My shoulder's still acting up a bit. Oh. This might take a little while. Look at all this damage. Baby, look out. Look out, little doggy. Not the strongest, not the best. Shoulder. Now people would say, bring the tailgate down. All right, buddy. Ooh, what you doing, baby? Huh? What you doing, baby? Look at all this shit, huh? Are you eating it? Are you eating it? What is it, baby? Look at Bobby. Is this a game of toss? Your owners are gonna know where you've been. Parents are gonna know where you've been hanging out at. Hanging out at Susan's house. Susan's mess. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna get a canopy today. That's right. Eventually.